Okay, thanks.
Ready, sir.
Myself, Varghese Lucas, Managing Director, Jose Lucas Group. So today we are happy to announce the partnership with Natural Diamond Council to promote the awareness on natural diamonds to our customers who need to have the transparency on how to buy a natural diamond. So this is a partnership which have increased confidence in buying diamond jewelry to most of our customers. So we're happy to be associated with Natural Diamonds.
Thank you.
We are a not-for-profit body which is here to encourage and develop the consumer confidence, build the consumer knowledge around natural diamonds. We are having this conference to announce that we, along with the Jose Lucas team, have made a pledge or a commitment to ensure that the consumer has the knowledge, consumer has all the information they need on the good practices, and we increase transparency and awareness amongst them about our brand to build the natural diamond dream and encourage the sale of natural diamond jewelry.
Thank you.
Looking for. The consumer wants knowledge. The consumer wants to know that the diamond that they are getting, the journey that the diamond has taken is true, authentic and real. And why should they love and enjoy the diamond? So one part is design, one part is the craftsmanship, the beautiful karigari that goes behind it, and that's something he spoke about. They have beautiful collections. If you haven't been, you must see the stores. We have a beautiful collection in place. How do we go beyond it? So there are certain things that the consumer looks at. I mentioned the diamonds are now 99.8% or almost 99.9% traceable. There's a process in place set by the government. The governments of all the countries in the world follow this to ensure diamonds are traceable. There are brands, our parent brand called De Beers. De Beers has an origin project where you can trace the journey of a diamond from the mine till when it reaches your hand, and you can see who worked on your diamond and how it reached you and the journey it took, and that's beautiful. Closer to home, we have brands in all the cutting world's 90% plus diamonds are cut in India, and it's a source of extreme pride for us that all natural diamonds come to India to be cut, and the karigari that we as Indians are known for. And we have brands here. For instance, our partner brand called Hare Krishna Exports Limited, they created 160 lakes to ensure that there is, to cover up the scarcity of water in their region, but this was a project done by them. Sri Ramakrishna Exports have done, they're already net zero in 2024, which is a big thing ahead of the government target. You can check with the Jose Lucas team the kind of CSR initiatives they are taking. They are focusing on employment and on healthcare and the kind of upskilling we are doing. So our objective today, starting point for the next 3 months, is to focus on, if you put up the education things, we are focusing on knowledge for the consumer and knowledge for our team. So we are making sure that the staff who actually interacts with the consumer is knowledgeable. We have upskilled. We need to make sure with this digital age that our staff and our teams are also equipped with the knowledge, and we make sure that they have all the knowledge to explain to the consumer what natural diamonds are, the journey that they take, the sustainability initiatives behind it, the kind of craftsmanship that goes behind it, the kind of design effort and energy that has gone behind to create one piece of jewelry which you wear for the most important moment in your life. The second part, which I'm sure you're all aware of, there are alternates, there are lab-grown diamonds in the market, there are alternates that are coming into the market. So how does the consumer know? Our objective is that we need to ensure that the consumer has all the knowledge. They know what is happening. How is a stone which is 1 billion years old different from a mass-produced factory alternative? Everything has its place. Both the categories will grow, both the categories have their place, but they're different. My child is getting married. It is very important that she owns a piece of jewelry. It's a memory of a lifetime. I have a bangle, I bought it when my daughter was born 17 years ago. I wear it every day. And every day I look at it and I think of my girl at home, and it's a special memory for me. for special moments in your life, you have a natural diamond which is going to last forever. I have pieces of jewelry which are 150 years old. My great grandmother passed them on. Every one of us has worn it and we are still enjoying it. Then I need a piece of jewelry when I'm going to the beach. I'm going into the water. I shouldn't be worried if my daughter drops it. I'm not worried. That's something. You need fashion jewelry alternatives, and of course, factory produced alternatives work for that. So every piece of jewelry, we are a jewelry wearing country. Every kind of gem has its own place. But natural diamonds stand for something special. There are special moments in life. In Hindi, I'm sorry, I know this is not a Hindi speaking state, but in Hindi we say Sone pe Suhaga. So we are the cherry on the cake. The gold is the base. Gold is what we hold true to our heart. But diamonds set in gold make every piece of jewelry even prettier. So we are here to ensure that we share all the facts. We are working to make sure our team is empowered. Over the next 3 months, you will see a lot of communication from Joss Alucas, which shares, improves knowledge. It is not connected to a collection or a sale. It is just fact so that the consumer enjoys their piece of jewelry even more and it makes it even more special for them. So we hope that you will catch all these knowledge sessions and hope that it builds up on how we can make sure that our consumer enjoys every piece of diamond jewelry she wears. Joss Alucas stands for trust. Consumer walks in and feels special in their store. We are making sure that along with feeling special, they feel more knowledgeable and more empowered. So that's what our partnership is all about, and we are here to share with you what our plans are for the next 3 months. Thank you.